Let us see Bhakti movement in North India. While dealing with the religious movements of the 14th and 15th centuries in northern India, one has to keep in mind the two very different attitudes which Hindu religious leaders had towards Islam. One group accepted what was the best in Islam, the other adopted a few elements in order to prevent conversion to Islam. Both reacted to Islam, but one was sympathetic while the other was hostile. Kabir and Guru Nanak and other founders of new sects are included in the first group, while the movement in Bengal associated with Chaitanya Deva or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu belongs to the later tendency. Okay children, now let us know exponents of Bhakti movement. It was a Ramananda who spread the Bhakti ideology in northern India, where it became a mass movement. Vallabhacharya, a Telugu philosopher, built a temple for Lord Krishna on the Govardhan hills near Madura. Surdas, a blind poet and musician, was associated with this temple as well as that of Agra. His famous collection of poetry is called Sursagar. Mirabai, wife of the crown prince of Mewar, was an ardent devotee of Lord Krishna. She was disciple of Ravidas. Mirabai gained popularity through her bhajanas. Chaitanya Deva popularized Krishna worship through songs and dancing that had a profound effect on Vaishnavism in Bengal. In the 16th century, in Tulsidas' Hindi retelling of the story of Rama, in the Ramchatarmanas, the sentiment of friendship and loyalty is trusted. Many of those poems continue to be restricted and sung often at all-night celebration. Tukaram, a 17th century saint poet of Maharashtra, is known for his spiritual songs devoted to Vithoba, an avatar of Krishna. There is a Vithoba Panduranga temple at Pandharpur in Solapur district, Maharashtra. Let us see Sufism in India. The advent of Sufis to India dates back to the Arab conquest of Sindh. It gained promises in the 10th and 11th centuries during the reign of the Delhi Sultans. Sufism adopted many native Indian concepts such as yogic postures, music, and dance. Sufism found among both Muslims and Hindus. Sufism, the word Sufi takes its origin from Suf, meaning wool. The Sufis wore coarse garments made of wool, and hence they were called Sufis. Sufism was basically Islamic but was influenced by Hindu and Buddhist Mahayana ideas. It rejected the stringent conduct code of the ulemas. Sufis in medieval India were divided into three major orders. Poet Amir Khusro was one of its distinguished followers. Let us know about Kabir. As a Muslim, Kabir came under the influence of Varanasi-based Saint Ramananda. He accepted some Hindu ideas and tried to reconcile Hinduism and Islam. However, it was the Hindus, and particularly those of the lower classes, to whom his message appealed. Kabir believed that God is one and formless, even though different religious sects give him different names and forms. He opposed discrimination on the basis of religion, caste, and wealth. He also commanded meaningless rituals. Kabir's verses were composed in Bhojpuri language mixed with Urdu. The Kabir's Granthawali and the Bijak contain collections of Kabir's verses. Next, Guru Nanak. Early life, Guru Nanak. He born in a village near Lahore in 1469, showed interest in religious distinction with other saints right from his early childhood. His parents were meant to involve him in worldly life, but he was inclined towards spiritualism. He visited many holy places and finally settled in Karatpur near Lahore. He died there in 1539. To mark the 550th birth anniversary of Guru Nanak, a corridor is being constructed by the Indian government that will link the Nanak shrine in Gurdaspur with Gurdaswara Darbar Sahib at Karatpur in Pakistan. Guru Nanak preached that God is without form and wanted his followers to practice meditation upon the name of God for peace and ultimate salvation. He is considered the first Guru by the Sikhs. Guru Nanak had great concepts for Vedic rituals and caste discrimination. The teachings of Guru Nanak formed the basis of Sikhism, a new religious order founded in the late 15th century. His and his successors' teaching are collected in the Guru Granth Sahib, which is the holy book of the Sikhs. Guru Nanak's teachings were spread through the group singing of hymns called Kirtan. The devotees gathered in Dharmasalai, that is the rest houses, which became Gurudwaras in course of time. Guru Nanak nominated his disciple Lakhna to succeed him as the Guru. Following this precedent, the successors are named by the Sikh Guru at the time of Guru Gobind Singh. The customs of Pav was introduced. Those who got baptized became members of a disciplined brotherhood known as the Khalsa, meaning the pure. The men were given the title Singh, lion. Every member of the Khalsa had to have 5 distinguished things on his person. These were kesh, uncut hair, kanha, comb, kirban, dagger, daga, steel bangle, and karchira, underpants. After Guru Govind Singh, the holy book Guru Granth Sahib is considered the Guru and its message is spread by the Khalsa. Let us see impact of the religious or Bhakti movement. Vedic Hinduism was regenerated and thus saved from the onslaught of Islam. The Islamic tenets, unity of God and universal brotherhood, emphasized by the saints, promoted harmony and peace. Bhakti was a movement of the common people. It used the language of the common people for its devotional literature. Bhakti movement opened up space for Indian languages to grow. It stimulated literacy, activity in regional languages. What sustained Sanskrit despite its decline during this period was the support extended by the rulers of Hindu kingdoms. Tamil was the only ancient Indian language remained vibrant during this period, but the ethos of Tamil literature in medieval time had changed. In the classical period, it had secular literature depicting the everyday life, its joys and sorrows. But under the influence of devotional cults, its emphasis shifted to religion and religious literature. Caste system and social disparities came to be criticized. The impact of the Bhakti movement on the medieval Indian society is analyzed.